Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this MelodySusie makeup brush cleaner. It's portable, electronic, automatic, and it is cleaning within seconds. So that sounds really good. Why would we use that, or why do we need that? As we all know, used makeup brushes can be heavens for dirt and dead skin. Regular cleaning can help to prevent skin from allergies and infections. Makes sense, absolutely. So let's look what's in the box and how it works. So we get a small user manual which explains everything. So I'm showing you this really quickly. If you don't need that, you can fast forward for a couple of seconds, but it's always good to have this if you need more details, or if you already have the product and you need the manual if you have lost it. So let's continue with that. It's just a couple of pages left. So of course you would have to read, if you want to read that, you have to pause the video and of course go to full resolution to read everything. So now we are coming to the end. That was just 6 pages. Thanks for your patience. And so let's see how this works. What do we get? So everything nicely packaged, so it doesn't look too complicated. And yeah, now I take everything out of the protection, put it together, and then we'll go from there. So now we have everything more or less ready. We have the cleaner, we have the bowl, the neck, the stand, we have the collars and 2 spindles. Actually we need just one, but there's one spare one. So the stand of course is used. You can place all the collars where they fit. Of course you have to look for the right size, but apart from that you can just put them in and have it properly stored. For the cleaner we need batteries. You can open that in the back, and you need 2 times a AAA battery, which is not included, but yeah, you should have these usually in your household. So I accidentally turned it on. As you can see, here's the on-off button already. So we close that again, and now we have everything ready to start. After putting the bowl together and filling it with some mild soap water, it is time to stick the parts together. Just make sure that you push together really hard so it has a really firm hold. Then push down a couple of times without the motor, and then for about 10 seconds with the motor within the soap water, and then just pull it out and let the brush spin and dry, and then you can turn it off and see if it is dry enough. And it is highly recommended to bring it back into original shape right after cleaning. I highly recommend to start with a smaller brush and then try with bigger ones later on when you get used to that. The small ones have the advantage they are really easy to handle while rotating in the lotion, while the bigger ones can create quite some shaking in the lotion, but with a little bit of experience you will be able to handle that easily. So the result is really amazing already, only with the soap water for most of the brushes, but some of course need a special lotion or at least a few drops of a daily brush cleaner spray. So that's the thing which we have been using with great success, and you just need 2 or 3 sprays into the water, and yeah, if it was not clean with the soap water, it will be definitely clean after using the cleaner solution. So here you can see the result after using this cleaner lotion in the water, and now it is really super clean. What a difference to before. So this is not only a time saver, it makes the brushes way more clean than doing this manually, and it is a lot of fun. And I mean, the brushes are really more clean, and that means less bacteria and more safety and more health for your skin. So if you use such brushes on a daily basis, I highly recommend to buy such a cleaner, and I'll put down the link into the description so you can buy it right away cheap on Amazon. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that video, and if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.